Hi, my name is Omar, and in this video I will show you how to install distributed file systems, in short DFS, on Windows Server 2012 R2 and how to set it up. DFS is a way for us to combine our file shares through multiple servers. As you can see, I have already configured my domain aasecurity.ca, and now we will install a DFS. You can click on dashboard and go on add roles and features wizard and then click next. As here you will click role based or feature based installation and then click next. Over here you just picking your server, so I already have my server, and then click next. In this you will have to find file and storage services and just click the drop down menu, and now you'll find file and ICS services. Just click the drop down menu, and now you could see DFS namespaces and DFS replication. Just click on that and add features, and then you can proceed and click next. And additional features, you don't have to add any other features. That's all the features that it needs, and then you just click next, and now you could see the roles and just click install. The installation will take about 5 to 10 minutes. While that is happening, you will have to install both DFS replications and DFS namespaces on your server 2 also. Once that is complete, as you can see, I already have created my AASECURITY folder, and I'm gonna create a share folder for AASECURITY. This is my network path. You could just copy and paste that into your file explorer, and you could see the files that are already located in my AASECURITY folder. Now I will show you how to configure DFS. So first you click on tools and you find DFS management. And in DFS management, you can see in namespaces, you would left click. Now you find, as you can see, you could create a new namespace. And now you can just click on browse and browse your server. So mine is server 1, and I just click next. And for the namespaces and settings, you just create whatever name you would like to name your namespace. For this purpose, I'll just create namespace, and in this namespace type, you would click domain based namespace if you have already configured your domain, and then click next. And now you just click create, and it will create your namespace. As you can see, it successfully created my namespace. If you click properties in namespaces, you can see the network it's on, and you can just, as you can see in my new namespace, you can click on properties and you can see the namespace network. It is AASECURITY/namespace, and you can go on your file explorer and you can look at the new network. As you can see, it is empty right now. There's nothing in the folder. Create a new folder. In this purpose, I'm just going to call it AASECURITY. You can call it whatever you want. Now I'm going to create a target file. So I'm going to target my AASECURITY, and I'm going to click OK. So this is my target folder. And now I'm going to press OK. And now if I add that again, you can see my AASECURITY has come up in my namespace. And now you just click the drop down menu in the namespace and the drop down menu in AASECURITY namespaces, and you could see my folder that I have created, folder created for your second server, and you can add that as a targeted file. As you could add server 2 and you could target the file. I've created a security on my second server, as you can see, and I have targeted that file. An error will come up saying a replication group can be used to keep the folder targets synchronized, and in that you would click yes. So now you could see that both my server 1 and server 2 are in my DFS targeted folders. Now we will create a new replication, and we'll just left click on replication and click on new replication group. And in this case, we will choose multi-purpose replication group. This option configures replications between 2 or more servers for publication, content sharing, and other scenarios. So now you will pick name of your replication group. You can create whatever name you would like. You will have to create the name of the group, which I have created AASECURITY. So now I click next, and you would add server 1 and 2 when it prompts you to add servers. So I'll just click server 1 and add server 2. And I'll just add server 2 and then click next as soon as it is done loading. So as you can see, I have both server 1 and server 2 in my replication group members, and then just click next. After you click next on replication group members, it will ask you for topology selections. I selected a full mesh topology. In this topology, each member replicates all other members of the replication group. This topology works well when there are 10 or fewer members in a replication group. So this will allow us to transfer data easier to each member. And then you just click next. So after clicking next on topology selections, it will ask you for replication group schedule and bandwidth. In this section, you can select whichever bandwidth you would want. In this demo, I'm just going to do a full bandwidth. In yours, you can set whichever bandwidth you would like and just click next. And the primary member is my domain, so server 1, which is my primary member. And folders to replicate, I would just select my AASECURITY data so everyone can see my AASECURITY data. And then click next. And on this, you can just click next. And as you can see, it created a replication group settings for my server 1 and server 2. And this is how you would create your DFS namespaces and DFS replications.